Hello, good afternoon, everybody. So for our group project, our group decided to create a self-organizing content manager called TidyMe. Why TidyMe? Are you tired of attempting to arrange your digital content? Are you drowning in files and folders? Don't you worry, TidyMe is here. Our team has created a self-organizing content manager that lets users build similar folders in their personalized library based on their submitted files. With the user-friendly interface, Flutterflow UI, and a reliable backend powered by Firebase and Google Cloud APIs, TidyMe is the ultimate cloud storage application that helps you organize your digital life. So who is the targeted audience? Calling all content creators! This app can help you organize your digital content to create compelling stories that engage your audience. Think about how much time you can save and how much creative you could be with the right tools to help you organize your digital content. Sign up now! It's easy to get started. All you need to do is input your email, your password, and confirm your password. And if you already have an account, go ahead and click the sign in here and you'll be redirected to the login page. Login page is just as easy. Simply enter your email and password, and once you're successfully logged in, you'll be redirected to your personalized homepage. If you don't have an account, you can simply click the sign up and it'll be redirecting you to the sign up page. Alright, welcome to the homepage. This is the user's personalized profile. On this page, you'll find a search bar and a drop-down menu that will make it easy to find your files you need. Simply enter your search term in the search bar and use the drop-down menu to filter your results by text, image, or video. You also have the option to upload your own files to your digital library. This is a great way to keep all your important documents and files in one place. Now let's move on to text classification. Joy will be taking on from here.
Okay, so one of the features that TidyMe has is text classification. As you can see, the process is very intuitive for the user since they only put in the desired text and then press classify text. So upon pressing classify text, an API call is made to Google Cloud's natural language API, and the user receives a list of / delimited classifications that are ordered from the most generic to the most specific. So in my example above, the text that I actually put in to be classified were lyrics to one of my favorite songs. And as you can see, the classifications that I received for arts and entertainment, which is very generic, followed by music and audio, with the last being rock music, which is the most specific. So if a user decided that they wanted to save this as a file, they are prompted to put in the file name as well as a link to where they stored the text file themselves. So it is important for me to highlight that saving text files is different from saving images and videos. As one of my teammates will go over later on, the user has to actually upload an image or a video before we can classify it, and therefore we save it for them and provide a link to access it. So when the user does decide that they wanted to save the file, the only thing that they need to put in is the file name because a link to where the file is stored is provided for them. So saving files adds this information to our database, and what do we need? So number one, we obviously need a username so that we can distinguish what files belong to what users. We have the file name, we have the link to where the file is stored, and then we need a category as well as annotations. So how we get this is from the classification that we have already. So the most generic is going to be the main category, and this is also going to be the name of the folder under which the file is going to be stored. So in my case, the name of my category is going to be arts and entertainment, and that is the folder under which I will find this file. So the remaining classifications are going to be used as annotations, which, as you will see later on, we can use for searching so that we make sure that the user can put in different terms and still find the file that they are looking for.
Hi all, this is Alex. I would like to take you through the TidyMe architecture. At the core is the Flutterflow app, which is well integrated to the Firebase DB and web server engine to support login, page navigation, and content management. The end users can connect to the app using web services and HTTP requests. Flutterflow also supports secure authenticated tokenized REST API calls to Google API services. The Google Cloud support with all the content classification APIs and the storage buckets for the content. Next, we look at the data used for this app. So we have collected YouTube 8 million dataset, which is a collection of video and audio, BBC text dataset, which is text data, and the Caltech 256 image dataset, which has like 257 classes and 30K images. Then we have a collection of short videos of 6 GB from UCF Center for Research in CV. In total, we have about 3.15 TB of data stored in Google storage bucket. Let me take you through the video classification. You need to upload a file name and a Google storage bucket URL for a video that you need to upload. Click on the classify submits a video annotation job with Google Video Intelligence API. After a wait and delay job, another API is used to retrieve the job results of the screen. Click Add File to add the file to the TidyMe personal homepage. The Google Cloud Video Intelligence API version 2 is used here. Also define the scope here. The next is image classification. The image files are to be uploaded from the local library on the end user device, which supports camera or like local library. When you click on the classify image button, it will call the Google Cloud Vision API and get all the annotations for the image. The highest confidence value annotation will be used as the class, and it will be displayed at the bottom of the page, and also the file will be stored. So here we'll be using the Google Cloud API v2 version, and the scopes of access are also defined here.
Everyone, this is Brandon, and today I'm going to explain how to use the search feature of the TidyMe app. TidyMe lets the user look through their uploaded files and the categories that have been classified, and allows them to look them up by file name. When a user searches for a file, they will get a list of results that belong to that user only, and in the list of the results, it will contain the information of the file, such as the name, category that it belongs to, and a link to the file itself. The nature of the schema provided for easy searching by looking for the search term in the list of annotations and displaying a list of files that have that term. The user can also access files in the folders provided on the home page, and within those folders, they are able to filter the results further. And the filter that we have implemented is to further organize the user's files. The filter allows the user to search for images only, text only, or videos only. The filter is a drop-down menu allowing the user to choose the format they're searching for. The filter also gives similar results to the search, as it shows a file name and a link to the file itself. Thank you guys so much for your attention.
We have a user, John, who's logging into TidyMe. So John puts in his email, which is john123@gmail.com, and proceeds to put in his secure password. Logs in. As you can see, that's empty because he hasn't classified anything yet. So John is classifying an image, and he goes to his gallery, finds the image that he wants to classify, selects, and is uploading the image to TidyMe. We're waiting on upload. Success. Great. So John presses classify image, and as you can see, we get the classification of dog and bulldog. John decides to save the file, so he saves the file as dog file. Upon clicking save, we see the category, which is dog, and the file with the link to the file.